So we'll have a one quick round of now you're sitting state-wise. I will talk in English. If I take the session in Hindi, आपका पूरा बोलना चाहिए. So I will go very slowly in English. If you don't understand, you can stop. ठीक है? मेरा English इतना ज़्यादा ऊपर English नहीं है. Very normal English. So I'll be going very slow only. So there is no problem. एक क्विक राउंड ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन अभी आपका स्टेट्स का थ्रू है. ओनली यू नीड इज मेरा सेशन में आप जरूरी नहीं है नोट्स इतना बैठ के लिखने के लिए. ठीक है, ये पूरा ऑलरेडी पेपर में है, आपका पॉलिसी में है. बट इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स कौन सा हम अंडरस्टैंड करना, हम उठा के डिस्कस कर रहे उतना ही. ठीक है, सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट टू कीप योर पेन एंड नोटबुक क्लोज्ड and keep your mind open. ठीक है, ज़्यादा notes we will take it. After 5 days this will go to the shelf. After 1 week it will go to dustbin. After 1 week we can't even trace it. Hardly, rarely you can think of yourself. हम weekly एक workshop attempt करेंगे. We don't really save our documents. हमारा request है इधर से आप कुछ भी important feel कर रहे हैं. What is every time any session is taken here, think what I can do with respect to this in my diet, my place, at my level, then think of state. Actually, here you are not going to completely change the state first. To really strengthen diet, every single person in the diet, every single person in the SCRT should be strengthened. Right? If you are already strong, identify in this areas which is my strong area, where I can go and talk to others. If you feel that out of 10 things which we are speaking, I am good at 2, maybe I am average at 3, I have not started at 1. So these are the last points. We'll have last at the end of the session, we will only take a note and write my reflection. I listen so much in this area. What is the points I am already good at, where I need further improvement, where I should initiate. This should be your reflection at the end of every session. Whoever is the resource person, आपका 3 question होना चाहिए. Like where I am good at, where I need more improvement, where I should initiate. First, think about individual. Second, think if you are in SCRT, think at the SCRT level the same 3 questions. In which SCRT is good at, in which areas SCRT needs improvement, and which is the area which we have not initiated. Right? Diet faculty should think at your own diet level. This is how we have to go. We will not think the whole country. We will think of thinking like NEP has told this, so India will change tomorrow. India will not change until we change. Right? So that's how we are. 5 days our way of reflection is this. हमारा every time कुछ भी point हम listen कर देंगे, यही 3 questions हमारा अंदर जाना चाहिए. ठीक है? Why I have made you to sit today, to only today you will be sitting in. We will be changing every day your place. Every day you will sit in a new place when you come in the morning. So there is no fixed systems for you. Because अभी ये 5 दिन में ज़्यादा exercises नहीं है where आपका file save होना चाहिए, ऐसा काम नहीं. So there is more of reflection. But before you go in the last day, आप सबको at least you need to know each other. So that's why we will be changing your place on every day. So थोड़ा ये note कर दीजिए. Team Uttarakhand, Team Jharkhand will be responsible for making newsletter for today morning. First day forenoon session is for Jharkhand. एक ग्रुप में भी हम डाल देंगे, बट अभी आपका कौन सा सेशन है नोट करके रख दीजिए. झारखंड टीम, सो आपका मॉर्निंग सेशन, फर्स्ट सेशन एंड सेकंड सेशन का न्यूज़लेटर बनना चाहिए. So newsletter of today should be released before you come 9:30 tomorrow in the group. Okay, as a PDF you have to release. We'll put some sample newsletter in that so that you know it. So today's afternoon session will be by Uttarakhand. ठीक है? Second day morning session is for Jammu and Kashmir. Second day afternoon session is with Rajasthan. Third day morning session is with Delhi. Third day afternoon session is with Himachal Pradesh. Fourth day morning session with Chhattisgarh. Fourth day afternoon session with UP. Fifth day morning session with Odisha. So Bihar has more number. So you will make two groups. One of 4 member, one of 3 member. The 4 member group will do it for afternoon session of last day. That's a more challenging day because it will be just half an hour for you lunchtime to anticipate what's going to happen and finish the report. Okay. And the other 3 members of Bihar and RIE. This 5 team members have RIE will do separately and 3 member of Bihar will do separately. Every day there will be some reflection session. Every day in the morning 15 minutes and in the lunchtime we will have some activities. Lunchtime whenever we have reflection. So what participants are reflecting about good and bad of program is what you need to bring it as newsletter. Okay, RIE will bring out and for the first 2 days and Bihar will bring out for the last 3 days, right? So only on the reflections. Is that clear? So basically newsletter should talk about क्या हुआ इधर कुछ photos you are free. Whoever is in this session can take photographs. Whatever photograph is taking will be put in one folder and shared it with all of you today itself. Okay, whatever our photographer and our team is taking. Otherwise, if you want more photographs, you are okay to click without disturbing the session. Okay, and in your newsletter, you have to show that what happened, what learning was there, and also you can give some additional tips or tricks or some interesting facts related to that particular topic taken in the session. अभी ये सेशन में एनईपी एनसीएफ वेरी स्पेसिफिकली टेक्नोलॉजी का ऊपर बात कर मैं क्या बता रहे उनका अलावा यू कैन ऑल्सो चेक सम अदर आर्टिकल हैज बीन रिटर्न ऑन दिस some newspaper has reported something highlighted on this, so that kind of a tip QR code of that link can be added, like that interesting facts can be also added in your newsletter. So last day we will compile and release it as a newsletter of this training, which will be also for the record. Is that clear? So अभी हम पहले first technical session है हम NEP का ऊपर. Actually the first technical session should have been on NEP and NCF, but आज थोड़ा important meeting है, so Ranjana ji is not available in the morning, so वो afternoon session लेते हैं. So पहले मैं NEP and NCF हमारा leveraging digital technology का ऊपर क्या बोल? What does NEP and NCF tell about leveraging digital technology? What are the 2 chapters in NEP which talks about digital education? Which are the 2 chapters? 23 and 24. हम सब CRT diet में all the time we have been talking about NEP, NCF बार बात करते हैं, but हम common understanding होना चाहिए. Until and otherwise हम common understanding नहीं है, हम अलग-अलग तरीका बात करें, ठीक है? So पहले ये सबको पता है एजुकेशन एंड टेक्नोलॉजी आर बाई डायरेक्शनल. क्यों? Why is it bi-directional? In what way? Due to interaction between learner and कैसा interaction हो रहा है? दोनों तरफ से. Because education made the technology and technology now using the education. Okay, education made the technology, so technology is being used by education. Okay, any other response?
टेक्नोलॉजी इजी बना रहा है एजुकेशन को और ज्यादा दूर तक पहुंचा रहा है.
Okay, so that is one way, right? Technology education का easy बना रहा है is one. हम बता रहे हैं कि बाई डायरेक्शनल है.
Both are modify technology and technology modify education system.
ओके,
एजुकेशन के जरिए से हम टेक्नोलॉजी जानते हैं.
आप एक सिंपल एग्जांपल बोल सकते हैं कैसा एजुकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी का मॉडिफाई किया, कैसा टेक्नोलॉजी एजुकेशन का मॉडिफाई किया?
मैम जैसे आप बुक की बात करें हम
लेट अस स्पीक वन पर्सन एट अ टाइम. यस,
बुक की बात करें तो बुक से पहले टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में पढ़ते थे. अब बुक में QR कोड एंड वगैरह दिया रहता है जिसके द्वारा हम टेक्नोलॉजी को एक्सेस कर पाते हैं.
ठीक है. एनी अदर एग्जांपल?
Training of ET. Training of ET.
ट्रेनिंग ऑफ ईटी.
ET means through training we are enriching technology and through technology we are enriching education.
Okay.
Labs, we can talk about labs.
Labs. How it is making bidirectional.
Basically processes जो है, देखिए टेक्नोलॉजी जो है उसको और मॉडिफाई और इनोवेट करने के लिए एजुकेशन इज नीडेड. तो अगर हम कोई एक कॉमन सी टेक्नोलॉजी यूज कर रहे हैं, उसको मॉडिफाई करने के लिए वी नीड एजुकेशनल रिसोर्स. जब तक हमारी एजुकेशन जो होगी वो स्ट्रांग नहीं होगी और नई नई इनोवेशंस नहीं आएंगी, तब तक टेक्नोलॉजी स्ट्रांग नहीं होगी. So that is why it is bidirectional.
Okay. So everyone understands this term now, relationship, right? Education and technology are bidirectional. वो अलग अलग नहीं हो सकता है, एक दूसरा का impact करते हैं regularly, right? So for making some technology we need education, and when we make a technology, and that technology can again be used to improve education or enhance education. So this is one relationship which NEP clearly identifies and recognizes. हम endorse कर रहे हैं, हमारा NEP endorse कर रहे, ये दोनों अलग अलग नहीं हो सकता है. So it is very very important to leverage technology for education, and we need to prepare our children for making some new technology in future. So that is one of the thing which NEP talks about. हमारे NEP 6 thrust areas बात करें, already इंदु मैडम touched upon this slide, already वो थोड़ा brief बना दिया. Just to recall and consolidate, हमारा NEP का ऊपर 6 thrust areas हैं. हम टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करने के टाइम ये 6 thrust areas में हम काम करना है, ठीक है. एक चीज है, यू डोंट नीड टू टेक पिक और एनीथिंग, बिकॉज प्रेजेंटेशन पूरा आपका दे देंगे. यू कैन रीयूज दिस प्रेजेंटेशन, मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं. आपका पूरा रिकॉर्डिंग शुरू कर देंगे. पूरा ट्रेनिंग हम किधर भी रिसोर्स पर्सन बात करें, स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग का साथ ऑडियो भी आपका मिलते हैं. सो दैट इन केस इफ यू वांटेड टू लिसन अगेन, यू विल हैव द वीडियो विद यू. ओके. सो हमारा 6 थ्रस्ट एरियाज है. पहले NEP बात करें, technology should be used for improving the teaching, learning and evaluation process. हमारा core thrust area वही. Why are we leveraging digital technology? पहले first हमारा teaching, learning and evaluation process का enhance करना है, improve करना है, transform करना है. So उनका वजह we need to use digital technology. Second area है, we also need to support teacher professional development and teacher preparation. अभी NCERT डिगेट्स हो गया, NCERT शुरू करके कितना साल हो गया. If you ask to Professor Behra, he has at least worked here for more than 30 years nearly. उनका, if you ask him, he will say in throughout his career in NCERT, we have not reached actually sub teacher training. We have never reached. अब same चीज with SCERT and diet. Even if you are a diet, you are as a diet, we are not able to, over this many years, we are not able to reach every single teacher who is coming under our diet. But अभी pandemic time में निष्ठा ट्रेनिंग सडनली हम ऑनलाइन मूव किया. एक साल में 42 लाख टीचर्स वेर एड्रेस्ड. सब टीचर्स का एक जगह से लेके आया. That was possible because of only technology. Because हमारा निष्ठा शुरू हो गया 2019 में, फेस टू फेस प्रोग्राम. मोस्ट ऑफ यू मस्ट हैव बीन पार्ट ऑफ इट. हम कितना इन्वेस्ट किया. NCERT पीपल वेर ओनली गोइंग, फर्स्ट सूटकेस ले लो, इधर चलो, आने के बाद ये सूटकेस डाल दो, दूसरा सूटकेस ले लो. देयर वर टाइम्स लाइक, एटलीस्ट पर्सनली आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग 5 स्टेट कंटिन्यूअसली. इधर लेके दूसरा जगह से वॉश करो और न्यू ड्रेस खरीद लो, मनी इन्वेस्ट करो, कुछ भी करो, बट इट वाज अ कंटिन्यूअस ट्रेनिंग. इतना ह्यूमन रिसोर्स वाज इन्वेस्टेड. उनका इफेक्ट अलग है. It was not same as what was happening in online. Online में उतना इफेक्ट नहीं था, but accessibility was able to be achieved. At least reaching every teacher. अभी at least सब टीचर का एक वर्ड पता है निष्ठा. इतना साल में कितना भी ट्रेनिंग हुआ, सब टीचर्स का एक ही नाम पता नहीं है, right? We suddenly overnight हमारा NCERT faculty, we became all heroines of the country. एक time I was walking in Jharkhand in the market. So Jharkhand, first time I have gone, we were walking in the market, one teacher came and one person came and said, मैडम आपका साथ में सेल्फी लेना है. So मैं सोचा कौन है ये सेल्फी लेने के लिए. We were in the Chota market, so people were looking. The moment they took selfie, they thought we are some celebrity. So सब आ गया, मैडम हम भी सेल्फी लेना. I asked, why do you want to take selfie? उनको पता नहीं क्यों selfie ले. Usually selfie is taken with celebrities. So then I asked, why do you want to take selfie? Who are you? Then she said, I am a teacher. I have watched you in Nishta video. So ऐसा teachers का एक recognition मिला. It's not for NCERT faculty alone. We actually got recognition because of that one program. जम्मू से airport में कितना security दिक्कत होता है. It's not easy to clear the security at Jammu. पहले मैं गया था, इतना टाइम ले लिया बाहर आने के लिए. The second time after Nishta when I went, I didn't have a proof. I was searching what to do. One meeting was going on. Police was there. A teacher community came and said, "Hey, Nishta teacher hai, release kar." So even the security was telling, "Oh, teacher hai, release kar." So that's the kind of impact Nishta made in the country because that's the only universal program. No other country has such a program. इतना massive teacher training was not possible in many countries. हमारा last G20 है, पहले इंडिया से G20 हुआ था. वो G20 में every year the Diksha platform was appreciated because it was used during pandemic to reach the people. हम ऑनलाइन में टीचर प्रिपेयर किया, सडनली चेंज है ना, सडनली सब टीचर्स का क्या करना है पता नहीं, बट हमारा यूट्यूब एंड दीक्षा हैज रीच्ड पीपल टू प्रिपेयर पीपल. सो ये सेकंड थ्रस्ट एरिया है टेक्नोलॉजी. हमारा कंट्री में ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन, राइट, एक लेवल में वी आर लुकिंग एट 92 लाख टीचर्स पॉपुलेशन नाउ. सो आगे नेक्स्ट एकेडमिक ईयर में जल्दी 95 पहुंचने वाली है, रिकॉर्डेड 92 है. सो 95 लाख टीचर्स एक टाइम रीच करना है, हम 1-to-1 फिजिकल मोड में रीच नहीं कर सकते. सो जरूरी है टेक्नोलॉजी का सपोर्ट. थर्ड सपोर्ट एरिया है एजुकेशनल एक्सेस होने के. हमारा साइड में हम वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग वीडियोस फॉर डिकेड्स इन एनसीईआरटी, बट इन द लास्ट 2 years we have developed so much of resources which are with ISL, Indian Sign Language. First time we are going to see how the ISL studio is, how people are. Last time batch 1 people were there. When we took them to see the ISL studio, first time there were many people who were surprised. ISL interpreter hoga aisa. Is there a course for it? Because many people even don't know what does ISL interpreter mean. What does like ISL interpreters, how people can be utilized. Even people with hearing and speech impairment is supporting to create content for us. We will see that how ISL people are helping to. It's not that for ISL we are preparing. ISL people are preparing content for ISL people itself. Because they know better. They are required to be part of it. So, एक area है, it's not about Divyang. There are access issue due to multiple reasons. Language का वजह भी हमको access का issue है. Every year NCERT textbooks reaches to every school in all regional language. Takes another 6 months. Even though it will be released in English, Hindi, then state will translate, then it will go to the schools. But this is the first time in the history of NCERT. NCERT has come out in same time 22 language में sub textbook. So we were able to use the mission translation and then you do the translation with the intervention of human being and improve the access. जल्दी पहुंच सकते हैं. अभी टेक्नोलॉजी है, अमेजॉन, फ्लिपकार्ट. Because of those technology which has e-shopping, today NCERT textbook is not available only in counter and private people, but everything is available in Amazon and Flipkart, which will come to your doorstep. अभी आपका Flipkart में 25% ऑफर भी मिल रहा है, right? You are getting below the MRP. So today's we don't need to go in search of the books. Earlier, finding NCERT book means usually teachers will come and go to search for publication department. Our sub content is available online because of technology. So it's not about language barrier or whatever may be the reason. If access was denied earlier due to some reason, today technology can help in improving that access. The fourth trust area is we can streamline educational management and administration. हमारा अभी सब states में VSK शुरू हो रहा है. क्यों कर रहे हैं? Why do we need VSK? VSK पता है पहले? कितना पर्सन का VSK पता है? Few people are not aware. So it's going to be a database decision making system, right? हमारा कंट्री में एक एक चीज का डेटा इज द प्रॉब्लम. एक स्कूल में दूसरा, अभी वी आर ऑल्सो स्टिल स्ट्रगलिंग. हम पहले निश्ता शुरू करने के टाइम ऑनलाइन में व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड द मेजर प्रॉब्लम वाज डेटा. We don't know really how many teachers did the course. Who are all, we ran Nishta Elementary. That course is for class 1 to 8 teachers. But in the portal, parents will also come, NGO will also come. So we were not able to find out who are the real elementary teachers out of this 42 lakh, who are really elementary teachers. So this kind of issues were there in a large country like us, right? So it's very important that all the educational management and administration in which we are using our physical time, book distribution, uniform distribution, then document करना है, file ready करना है, right? कुछ ना कुछ teachers, anything you want a status of the teacher status, they'll ask diet faculty. सर्वे करो, ले लो, ये करो, वो करो. अल्टीमेटली हमारा पर्पस क्या है अपॉइंटमेंट के लिए पता नहीं. जाके जाके we have become like after some time we have become like a, you can put any word into it, right? कुछ पर्सन सेल्समैन बना दिया, कुछ पर्सन इवेंट मैनेजर बना दिया, कुछ पर्सन का असिस्टेंट स्टाफ टाइप हो गया. अल्टीमेटली वी लॉस्ट द पर्पस बिकॉज ऑफ द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव वर्क्स. सो अभी हम टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज करके एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव वर्क्स का स्ट्रीमलाइन करते हैं. हम दोबारा एकेडमिक में आना चाहिए. All diet and faculty are supposed to be in the academic area, but slowly we lost it. So दोबारा हम academic आना है. हमारा कितना managerial and administrative काम है उनको, we have to replace those works instead of us with technology. Then only it will be able to give us time to do academic work. Diet, why diet was created? वो document पहले पढ़ा, read करो. अभी आपका स्टेटस चेक करो, हम किधर भी मैच नहीं होता. बिकॉज डायट्स वेर इनिशियली क्रिएटेड टू डू मोर ऑफ रिसर्च वर्क्स, राइट? टू नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द फील्ड दैट विल फीड इनटू द स्टेट. अभी कितना रिसर्च हम कर रहे हैं, राइट? स्लोली वी आर लूजिंग आवर स्पिरिट, we are losing our identity. So it is very very important for us to think of streamlining the educational management and administration. That is why हमारा country में अभी एक नया चीज लेके आया NDR, right? It is a National Digital Architecture for Education. So this NDR is thinking to replace this place. We want the human resource to be for academic. To streamline this educational management and administration, there are many things that has to be set right. Today, the ID, which is unique ID for teachers, which is coming in. For students, APAR ID is coming in. Slowly, it's going to be there for teachers also. आज SCRT में आपका कितना teachers है पूछो? Nobody knows. We are asking this data for last 3 years for managing Diksha. आपका secondary stage में कितना teachers है? यूडाइस में जाके देखेंगे उधर भी डेटा नहीं है. एसएआरटी का साथ भी डेटा नहीं है. डाइट का बात भी डेटा नहीं. हु वाज द डेटा? ओनली रेवेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट, बिकॉज सैलरी चल रहे ना, उनका काउंट होता है. बट दे डोंट हैव एनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ क्या चल रहे. दे डोंट शेयर द डेटा. देयर इज नो सिंक बिटवीन टू डिपार्टमेंट्स. सो इट्स वेरी एसेंशियल दैट हमारा लीवरेज स्ट्रीमलाइन करना है with technology. So that's one of the thrust area to improve our system. The fifth one is removing language barrier. अभी हमारा इतना हम नहीं किया था. Today you are all attending training. I don't know to speak in Hindi and you can't follow my Hindi. It's very difficult. But there are a lot of countries where when the training happens, there is individual speakers, headphones. You put it, you can choose the language. Though I will speak in one language, automatically you will listen in your own language. Don't think of small trainings like this. Are we having this system when it is a very big event of nation? Abhi is still have we moved. हम NEP 5 years celebrate किया. We called all the foreigners to foreign universities to sign MOU. They were all sitting there. Minister was talking in Hindi. what would that people understand? And we are talking about them. हम बता रहे like आप university, we are addressing, looking at them. All the dignitaries on the stage were looking at those people from other outside universities. They are looking at us and showing hand and talking like this. They don't understand single word what you are speaking. So how is that? Is it an appreciable one? So we have to also think of, now they are thinking of, in at least they have to start from the top level. Maybe ऐसा small training में आने के लिए ज़्यादा time लगेंगे, but still at least हमारा online training में कुछ sometimes when we do the online training, like when English Hindi is there, if Zoom is being used, in that platform people are able to use the other language options. अभी ऑलरेडी कुछ कुछ पोर्टल में वो ऑप्शन है, वो यूज कर पा रहे, बट वी नीड टू ब्रिंग फाइंड आउट सॉल्यूशंस फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर एरिया एज अ फर्स्ट एरिया. लास्ट है एक्सेस टू दिव्यांग. सो हम इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन का बात कर रहे हैं, हम एक्चुअली सब अलग अलग रिसोर्स लेके आ रहे हैं, बट इन अ क्लास इफ देयर आर 2 स्टूडेंट्स हु आर हैविंग नीड्स, special needs, how are we able to give differentiated instruction? Today we have RPWD Act which recognizes much more intellectual disabilities also. Mostly physical disability at least we know. हमारा क्लास में intellectual disability कितना है पता भी नहीं है हमको. So if there is intellectual disability in our class, how do a single teacher give a differentiated instruction? So there is a need for us to think about personalized learning, adaptive learning, so that we will be able to bring some change in this area. So ये 6 areas है, हमारा NEP का thrust areas है where technology is to be utilized. These things I don't need to explain. All these challenges we know, right? We know these challenges in our own place, in our own state. Wherever we are, we know that there is a diversity. Abhi in this group, 46 people are there. I could see some of them still trying to understand how to go to the Gmail from a common page. Some people are very quick. Before I finish the instruction, you completed your work. So there is a diversity in 46 people only. So how much diversity would be there when you go and do training? Right? You are all selected to be master trainers and they have sent it in some oriented. Though we have given conditions to select, most of you must have not got selected based on the condition. They must have found who is available or who is a bakra whom I can say and they can go. Most of the time our selection process is like that. हमको बकरा बनाते, right? But that's a good bakra, don't worry. You have got a good opportunity to come and meet, and 5th day when you go, in our experience, we have never found that people came and went with emptiness. At least something you will take and go when you go back. ठीक है, थोड़ा आप comfort zone miss करते हैं, but are we really doing a selection process proper? हम last time online cyber safety training किया. We told them very clearly they are going to be the master trainers on cyber safety. Select people who know basic literacy. Basic technology पता होना चाहिए ना, उनको ले लो. Then select people who can come back and train in your state. ऐसा आदमी भेजा मेरा 3 दिन. Zoom कैसा ओपन करना है मैडम, लिंक क्या है मैडम, ओपन करने के बाद मेरा वीडियो नहीं आ रहे मैडम, ऑडियो नहीं आ रहे, ठीक है, वो पूरा टेलीग्राम क्या है मैडम, टेलीग्राम में कैसे ज्वाइन करना है, QR कोड भेजा, QR कोड से कैसे स्कैन करना है. हाउ विल दिस पीपल बिकम मास्टर ट्रेनर्स? विल दे गो एंड ट्रेन साइबर सेफ्टी? साइबर सेफ्टी छोड़ दो, पहले टेक्नोलॉजी ही पता नहीं. Some people were not even, last time some people came here, we were telling अभी कैमरा थे, फोटो ले लो, people are trying, मैडम फोटो नहीं आ रहे, फोटो. You see in this one, is there a camera out first in your desktop? कैमरा नहीं दिख रहे, कैसा फोटो आते हैं? So ऐसा ना छोटा छोटा चीज भी हमको पता नहीं. So surely there will be a lot of people in your trainings, in your thing where you are going to address, there is a diversity which is a challenge for us. सेकेंड है हमारा लार्ज स्केल, कुछ भी प्लान करना है 100-200 नहीं. फिनलैंड, वी लुक एट फिनलैंड, ओ फिनलैंड, ऑल वी कैन हैव टू से ओ वाव ओनली. When Finland comes, it will be less than the minimum small UT in our country. They are able to. One of the person who has gone and settled in, one of my friend who has gone and settled in Finland came back, started telling, 2 hours I have to listen. India is very bad. You know, Finland, his child is a special child. So in their community, what they do is to give parents are struggling with a special child throughout the week. So 2 weeks once, a public will take the responsibility of the child and give rest to parents. हमारा से कर सकता है?
No, possible नहीं.
हमारा स्केल इतना है, पहले हमारा पास एग्जैक्ट काउंट नहीं कितना स्पेशल चाइल्ड है.
We should appreciate our nation. In this population, we are not struggling. We are putting lot of effort. We are coming in the top level of the world. So
Actually, in G20, that is what happened. In G20, when all the 20 countries came and other countries came, ultimately, why India was appreciated is because of all our digital. We are the only country which has public funded 200 TV channels. We are the only country we have a public funded digital resource development. Maybe South Korea is on the top list, who's very great. When we compare we and ours and South Korea is at the 15th stage of making energized book. We are at the first level. They are at 15th level. हम ऐसा देके बोल नहीं सकते वो 15th है हम एक लेवल में है. The problem is their 15th level but their textbooks are privatized. A child has to invest so much money on buying one book. Korea is costly for education. हमारा में QR कोड छोटा डाला but सबको फ्री दे. Right? We are the only country where we are giving in the name of freebies for education. There are some very few countries where the whole education is free. But see the population. Right? So when we see our large scale itself is a challenge. Many countries comes to NCRT saying that we have done innovation, we would like to do this in India. Then they will come and sit. If we tell Bairaji to speak on the first day, they will go back. Because Bairaji will start with the statement of statistics, data. He will say that in India we have this many schools, this many population, this many students. After the session, they will not have anything to speak. Because all their solutions is for thousands. हम billions में millions में बात कर रहे हैं, which is itself a challenge and which is also a strength. And infrastructure is still a challenge. हमारा डायट्स में कितना डाइट में एक कंप्यूटर लैब है ट्रेनिंग करने के लिए. If I ask hardly 2-3 hands may raise, and in that 2-3 hands if I ask कितना कंप्यूटर है, then next question comes. Because हम अभी लास्ट ईयर में एजुकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी निष्ठा इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए प्लानिंग किया. We said at the SCRT level you should have 50 systems lab. Then we came to know out of 36 states, hardly any states, countable state has 50 system lab. State like Assam, which is the largest state in all the northeast, doesn't have one place where 50 systems are there. But they go to another training center and hire it. At least do you have a place to hire? When we went to Port Blair, Lakshadweep, no systems. Mostly even Ladakh, they have to bring their own system. They don't have a laptop. Like in Jharkhand, we had a good lab which had 50 systems. But when we went to many states, Maharashtra has, but there are many states who don't have their own labs still for running a train.
We have in Bihar also.
Bihar also, yeah. Wherever I have Bihar, I have never come. They never send me to Bihar because I don't know Hindi, so they don't send me. They said you will go mad going to Bihar. आपका हिंदी उनको समझ नहीं आते so they don't send me. So I'll also visit once. Uttarakhand में आ गया. But there are many states which are having, but in a proportion out of 36. Out of 36, कितना states है? It's not in a good percentage. So हमारा infrastructure is a challenge. अभी training करना है अभी हमको पूरा नहीं है. So we are dependent on mobile. किधर भी training जाना है आप mobile में depend करो. We now tell like in Tamil Nadu they have just initiated this. I don't know about other states, so whichever state I am knowing, I'll just take it as example. In Tamil Nadu, every teacher has to mark the attendance in the attendance system in the morning before a particular time. Same with Gujarat. Many states.
Same with Bihar.
So in Tamil Nadu, most of the people have button phones still. Teachers.
tab दिया teachers.
Yes, ma'am.
आप दिया, बट सब स्टेट्स में वो नहीं होता है. सो ये तमिलनाडु में सब टीचर्स नया फोन खरीदना चाहिए बिकॉज टू वर्क एज अ टीचर. Right? It's a demand to build your own, bring your own device. That's how it has happened. In Gujarat में सबको टैब दिया, कुछ schools के लिए स्मार्टफोन दिया. So we went to Kutch, like one of the government school, like it's nicely surrounded like a place, and only school is there in the middle. Prayer time we reached and prayer is over. After prayer, the principal just came in. We were sitting for some time. Then he again went to the prayer place. There was a flag pole. Then he was hoisting something. So बोला usually flag should be hoisted once. Evening remove करना. ये क्यों अभी क्या hoist कर रहे? Flag भी नहीं था उधर, कुछ भी hoist कर रहे. So we asked आप क्या करें सर? थोड़ा wait कर दीजिए मैडम. ऐसा ऊपर तक गया वो something rolled out. He was wrapping something and sending up. It went up. Then he was watching the time. Then he was bringing it. I said क्या कर रहे सर? Then he opened. We saw his mobile inside. He has wrapped his mobile. He was taking to the top of the pole, kept it for 10 minutes, then brought it down. बोला क्या किया रहे? मॉर्निंग सिग्नल नीचे नहीं मिलते हैं मैडम, उधर ही मिलते हैं. एक्चुअली गुजरात में पूरा डेटा हैज टू बी सिंक्ड मॉर्निंग में. सो मैं इधर से अटेंडेंस मार के मेरा फोन उधर हॉइस्ट कर देंगे मैम. देन वो सिंक होता है, 10 मिनट होता है, देन बाद में मेरे मुंह. हमारा ऐसा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में है. रियलिटी वही. We can talk a lot of things, but still we have issues in our infrastructure, right? And there are many states like still we would have seen during the pandemic all जुगाड़ one. Pressure cooker का ऊपर phone रख के भी there was classes going on. So there was nice videos. That's the best thing about India. If you see Indians, we are inventors and innovators. Israel speak innovation, but we practice innovation. हम इसराइल गया था एक टाइम 21 days I was there. I visited all the 4 direction school. Every school, their staff room had only one system. We think that all they are developed countries, but school में सब staff room में एक ही system था. But every child had a iPad. That's mandatory. You have to have iPad to come to a school. So today our children come without food, without dress, without slipper. Everything we give from our pocket sometimes. Even if we don't wait for state to do. That's a kind of teachers we work. So even though infrastructure is not there, our teachers have not told that it is not there. Full Israel is connected with G Suite. They work in only Google space. They don't know any other tool other than Google products. But in India, every nook and corner, people find out a tool which can be used, which is free of cost. That's how we are still great. The way we know the FOSS and open educational resource is not there popular in many countries. I can take the example of Jammu and Kashmir. We were putting a software called Scratch inside our curriculum. Scratch needs device. It's a visual coding software. It needs a computer. So Jammu and Kashmir, most of the parts are already having lot of issues. Security issues, no internet cannot work, many issues are there. So they ran a project with UNICEF where there was a vendor who came and said in India, Scratch can be used in cardboard. So we were surprised. How do you do it in cardboard visual programming? He still brought it. They did a pilot in Jammu and Kashmir. So that is where we are good. In India, we try to find solutions for our situation. We don't wait for others. Though infrastructure is a challenge, we keep trying to find what kind of infrastructure. So what we do is all challenges, though it exists, Indians are superpowers that we try to find solution and jugaad ways to address this challenges. That's the strength of us. But many times we don't talk the strength, we talk the challenges. So as diet and SCRT faculty, even when you do training, when first training you do also, people will come and only start grumbling. It's very important for us to tell about what we are good at and motivate them. हम बोलना है ये challenge है, मना नहीं कर रहे, but ये challenge ही हमको strength है. So it's very important. First thing, हमारा country में teachers technology use नहीं करे. The first barrier is confidence and the attitude. Problem क्या है? हमको attitude issue. We are not ready to appreciate what we have. We have started. That's what study says. It's not my statement. हम ज़्यादा research भी किया. We have collected 1.5 lakh teachers data from CIT. What shows that teachers का ICT knowledge है, ICT skill है, but use नहीं कर रहे. क्यों? Attitude zero, level कम. So it's very important that we need to talk about what NEP is recognizing it as challenge, and it is very important now to work on this challenge. अभी इधर से देख सकते हैं टेक्नोलॉजी कॉम्पिटेंसीज, ऐसा ही टोल्ड हमारा से ही ज़्यादा डाइवर्सिटी है. हमारा टेक्नोलॉजी कॉम्पिटेंसीज अलग अलग तरीका लेवल से है. एंड क्वालिटी डिजिटल रिसोर्सेज, हमको ये प्रॉब्लम हो गया. सब इनोवेट करके thousands of resources, lakhs of resources in Diksha portal, but which is not of quality. हमारा access का वजह क्या हुआ? The way we were talking once upon a time, we need to bring every child into the school. Are we talking still there? हम अभी क्या बात कर रहे हैं? सब अंदर आ गया. अभी क्या करना है? Quality education देना है. So similarly, पहले pandemic का पहले हमारा target था resources बना दो. Right? We also, when the pandemic started, suddenly we need to have more content. So what we did, NCRT, we have constituent units. So we took one subject, distributed to all RIs. RI Mysore do this subject. RI Bhubaneswar do this. RI Ajmer do this. Everyone we distributed, and we made so many videos. At that time we couldn't come to the studio. Many people were not ill. So all of them recorded with mobile at home. Not a clear video recording. We increased the resources and managed pandemic. Can we sit and say हमारा पास इतना resource है? अभी उनका use नहीं है. People now gets better shots, better reels in Facebook and YouTube. Who will see NCRT content? So अभी हम अच्छा से reels and shorts बना है. पहले हमारा video will be always 30 minutes, 20 minutes, long video. अभी हम बना रहे shorts and reels.
जब टेक्नोलॉजी भी तो एडवांस हो गई, पहले की डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी जो थी, जो कैप्चर कर रही थी, उनकी क्वालिटी आपकी क्वालिटी में फर्क है.
No, अभी भी आने के बाद भी सर. I am just talking 1 year before. Last year shorts and reels were there in YouTube. But हमारा अंदर इधर भी people का mindset change होना चाहिए ना. Like we are 10 years sitting and doing 30 minutes video ना, हमको easily mindset change नहीं होगा. So हम क्या बता देंगे 30 minutes video चाहिए कुछ सीखने के लिए. Then हमारा ऑफिस में ज़्यादा नया प्रोड्यूसर्स आ गया, पूरा फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में सीखे आ गया. Everyone is from cinematography. They have all been trained in the field and they have come now into the production. Now they think of innovative ways. So when they come with innovation, we can't stop it. Otherwise, every time we bring the children, it's a proportion I'm talking. We do outdoor recording also, but we do more of indoor recording. Now we don't do more of indoor. We go to house and do recording. We want a complete setup of mother, grandmother sitting and teaching mathematics, then we go there and we give them the point, right? So that is how we are expected to change. अभी उनका competency किधर से आएगा? अभी digital technology change होने के बाद हमारा competency भी improve होना चाहिए ना? I cannot keep telling that this is what I do, but we are very fast. We move with our phone as per the speed goes. We are also moving, but it's very essential that हम क्या करना है वो पूरे एजुकेशन का लेके आना है. So it's very important that it's not important that I need to change my competency alone. It is also enough if we find the right people. अभी हम इधर से क्या कर रहे हैं? We have not changed. We are same old people only. We cannot change a 30-year-old person in this place. We are all good at something else. Over the years of experience, we are pedagogically sound. We are content-wise sound. Maybe new technology is not known to me, but एक और person का पकड़ो, who knows new technology, combine करके काम करना चाहिए. That's where it's important for convergence in efforts. हमारा अलग अलग है. हमारा समग्र का शिक्षा एक project, development of digital content, SCRT एक development of digital content, diet एक diet अलग अलग. Ultimately सब एक ही lesson का video बनाते, right? There is no convergence in our effort. जरूरी convergence होना चाहिए. So it's very important that there should be a single body to come for everyone. अभी हमारा NCERT में सब फैकल्टी का फ्रीडम है रिसर्च प्रपोज करने के लिए, right? So I may be mathematics, maybe like Siddhant sir is also mathematics. Assume that. I don't know what subject he is, but I'm assuming mathematics only. So he sits in RIE Ajmer. I'm sitting at CPSSI. I will also take a research on computational thinking and mathematics. He will also take one research. So Ajmer से एक research, NCERT, CIT में एक research. But in CIT's research, I will put where will I do the research? I will do in DMS Ajmer. वो भी DMS अजमेर लिख देंगे, मैं भी DMS अजमेर लिख देंगे. If we don't converge, हम दोनों का एफर्ट वेस्ट है. रादर हम दोनों साथ आना है. आप बोलना पड़ेगा ओके आप अजमेर में करो, मैं दिल्ली में करते हैं. सो हमारा दो एरिया का रिसर्च साथ में आ सकता, which will be a more valuable point. So it's very very important to have the convergence in our effort, which is also a challenge. So this is something I'm not going to explain because this is a kind of a pathway which we have come. So this has been put in this slide for us to understand because अभी आगे निष्ठा एजुकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी शुरू करने वाली है. You will be learning all this in detail in that. But in this, the timeline has been put to show that हम अभी नया ICT अभी नहीं शुरू करें. 1972 से we are leading country to use technology in education. कब वीडियो रेडियो आ गया, हम भी रेडियो एजुकेशन में यूज किया. पहले टेलीविजन आ गया, टेलीविजन यूज किया. एडुसैट आ गया, हम एडुसैट यूज किया. कुछ भी वेबसाइट आ गया, हम यूज किया. सब यूज कर. So we are the ones who have been part of it. When we show this to many countries, when they evaluate, they say at this year we didn't do any technology. Today same way we are very fascinated. हम AI में पीछे हैं, कोडिंग में पीछे हैं, आगे सब गया. Let them go. हम रैट रेस में ज्वाइन करने के लिए जरूरी नहीं, बट हम इवेलुएट करना है वेयर डू आई स्टैंड. हमारा अभी एआई लेके आना है. हम एआई कैसा लेके आना है, क्या लेके आना है, क्यों लेके आया, क्यों से शुरू करना चाहिए. व्हाई इज द क्वेश्चन आई नीड टू ब्रिंग फर्स्ट बिकॉज टू मेक एंश्योर दैट हमारा क्वालिटी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन होगा. सो दीज स्लाइड्स टॉक अबाउट द डायरेक्शन इन विच वी हैव कम from 1972 till 2025 through various initiatives in digital technology. Okay. So these are the main recommendations of online and digital education which is given in our NEP 2020. In this particular presentation, I have added more slides for you for self-learning. Okay, but I'll be focusing only on this one slide, which we will be doing some activity in the afternoon also. These are the areas which we are all expected to implement in our case. Maybe individually, diet-wise, SCRT-wise, this is our recommendation as per NEP. Have we taken pilot studies in online education? That faculty are allowed to take research projects. So हम क्या research project ले रहे हैं? Today people want to bring AI. Have we done some pilot with new technology, emerging technologies in our own place to see whether it is good or bad, whether it will enable or disable, whether it will enhance or spoil what is existing? Today we are all running to cache the things without understanding why we are caching. Diet faculty and SCRT faculty play a very big role in this first point. Because pilot studies, NEP very clearly says when you bring any disruptive technology, it should be pilot. Nowhere NEP says ये पूरा disruptive technology लेके आ जाओ. Nowhere it says. If anybody is saying NEP says bring everything immediately, nowhere it has said like that. It says very clearly when you bring any emerging disruptive technologies, we need to do pilot to ensure that it is suitable for us. हम actually check करना पड़ता है so that like we are able to achieve things in a productive way. 15 साल का पहले साउथ कोरिया लैंग्वेज डिजिटल लैंग्वेज लैब इंट्रोड्यूस किया. 10 years it has implemented digital language lab. And it has found that it is spoiling the way language is learnt by the students. So 10 years ka pehle they have done enough research and they have removed the lab now in every school. Digital lab. And now they have made a language lab completely different. It's not digital alone, it is a blender lab. But now in India, we have started this craze of digital lab. When I started my career in 2005, my first project was Chhattisgarh. 2005, I developed a language lab for Chhattisgarh state. So language lab also is not new in our country. A digital language lab we created for Chhattisgarh in 2015 and we implemented in 2018 in the state. And Assam was the first state in the country in 2018 which implemented completely digital oriented max lab. अभी नया बात कर रहे वर्चुअल लैब. ये पूरा हमारा कंट्री में ज्यादा स्टेट्स में ऑलरेडी इम्प्लीमेंटेड है. कुछ स्टेट इम्प्लीमेंट किया बट क्या किया बाहर नहीं आया. We all do lot of innovations and pilot like this, but there is no published reports of ours. हम कितना people publish कर रहे हैं हमारा works. We publish for APIs को, हम भी publish for getting our promotions, but हमारा work कितना impact create किया, क्या problem हुआ था, वो पूरा publish नहीं हो. Maximum we submit it as a report, as a project report. So it's very essential to play a vital role in this first point. All the diet and SCRT faculty are called to take this as a priority for us to go forward. Abhi other points are there which I'm not going to talk at one session. Hamara next pura session say 4 days. It's going to focus on all these points. All these points will be reflected through one session, and on the last day we will wind up again with this image. So we are starting with this image, and next all the sessions will focus one area in this image, and then we will close our 5th day with the same image during the validation. Is that clear? Right? So when you come back, we will be breaking at 12:30 for lunch. Your lunch is in the NIE guest house canteen. So 12:30 to 1:30 is your lunch time. Okay, LMS and see whether your account is active. Sir, call. அப்படி நீங்க ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்ட் பின்னாடியே தான் நடந்து வந்தேன் நான் கால் பண்ணேன் நீங்க ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்டா நடந்து நான் வந்துட்டேன் நான் வந்துட்டேங்க So we are going to use for this particular training a one local LMS, okay, which is built on Moodle. What is LMS? What does it mean? That's a full form of LMS. What is LMS for?
ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज को पूरा करने के लिए जो पूरा एक मैंने तैयार किया था ऑनलाइन.
अभी हम ऑनलाइन कोर्स नहीं कर रहे हैं. हमको जरूरी क्या है?
डिजिटल
ठीक है.
स्टडी करने के लिए जितना
ठीक है. हम ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज के लिए LMS यूज कर सकते हैं. That's one point. Okay. Yes sir. Flexibility in learning. Okay. Okay. So हमारा क्यों इधर से we are not doing online. We are in face-to-face training. Okay. But we are going to use a learning management system so that your system is not getting switched on. Sonia. Actually, you should not keep pressing on. Actually, it's a very light orange light comes. When you keep your hand on, you should see downstairs. Down if the light is in white color, then only it will switch on. Okay. थोड़ा ये sensitive system है. Right. So we are in a face-to-face training, but then क्यों हमको LMS चाहिए? Because all the presentations we wanted to give it to you. How do we give it? We have to WhatsApp or send by mail. Then we will send and one person will come and say WhatsApp में नहीं मिल रहे, इधर में नहीं मिल रहे, उधर में नहीं मिल रहे. So to reduce all this chaos, we want to have the complete learning resource at one place. right? We could put all the things in one drive and share it with all of you also, right? Put a message in group. There are people who have not reached. So in the folder also we can put the material and we can share it with you. But sometimes all the people are not very well versed with using drive. And drive sharing with unknown people. You are all, however, you are unknown to us, right? Sharing a drive from my folder to you is not a safe behavior. So that is why we are using one LMS which is already created for NCERT, which we are giving. This is the Nishta portal which is created for Nishta program, but we are going to use this and give you experience. This is one reason is we want to share all the resources at one place. Second reason is one or the other way you will all be involved in Nishta implementation, being diet faculty and SCRT faculty. So now the new Nishta, which is going to start, now Nishta is getting revamped. When we are going to newly bring Nishta, again the older way it is going to start, energy coming and training in your SRGs. Earlier what we did give Google form to collect your data. Now we are only using Diksha for online courses. Now everything will come in Diksha itself. Even if you do face-to-face training, Nishta program, you should make your teachers to come to the Diksha portal. You have to make them to do pre-test, post-test, feedback. Everything should be done in the Diksha portal. So we want you to have that experience also. That is one thing. So we are just introducing a background on this. Okay. You will have one session where they will show you the Diksha LMS also later. So now what you are going to do is, so everyone has opened this portal, Nishta. Type Nishta in the browser. You will be able to land up on this page, nishta.gov.in. Nishta is a program. Okay, Diksha is a platform. Nishta is a program which is for holistic training for all the teachers and teacher educators. But Diksha is a content management system and a learning management system through which we are giving the Nishta program. Okay, Nishta, when we wanted to offer it online, we go and offer through Diksha platform. Diksha is basically a technology platform. Nishta is a conceptual program, right?
Diksha is also the having the videos and all.
No, that's a content platform through which you can give content, you can give through course, you can do anything through that. It's a platform.
Nishta is also.
Nishta is not a platform. Nishta is a program. Nishta is something which is a teacher training program. It's a CPD program which is aiming at holistic development. It can be done face to face. It can be done online. It can be done in blended mode. Okay. So for doing online, some platform is required. So we initially developed this LMS. When 2019 we started, we initially developed this LMS. We want to implement Nishta through this only. We need a technology platform, so we developed this. But unfortunately, this is a platform which is in a local server, physical server, which will not scale up. 40 lakh to 42 lakh teachers come here. If 1,000 teachers come here, this portal will stop working. Why? Because it is kept in a physical server. Machine, so the machine will not automatically do the balance. But Diksha is in the cloud system where if more people come, automatically it will expand. That is like an elastic thing. This is there in a place where you have a container, put inside container and close it. Container won't expand, na? So if more people come, it will burst. So we couldn't use this platform for doing the training. So we are using this only for testing all the courses, to give the content for things. So similar to this, we have a Diksha platform which can go any number of people. Tomorrow 95 lakh teachers come also, it will not do anything. Abhi 1 million people come also, it will stay stable. Because it is in a place where there is a elasticity, where it can adjust any number of people. Okay. So, but this is like used for our like this small trainings. We also run, we give you experience. Diksha, we cannot give you experience. Come and do. Diksha is public. So, we cannot use it for experimentation. So, we use this platform for experimentation. Okay. So, everyone has come here. right? So any LMS will have a login ID and password, which is called as credentials. Okay, in technical word, we call it as credential. What do you mean by credential? An ID and a password. You have for Gmail, everyone has ID and password for your mail. Similarly, for accessing this platform, you need a ID and password. This platform, we don't allow everyone to come. We register you before, then only you can log in. Otherwise, you can't log in. Diksha, anybody can go and register themselves. But in our platform, anyone cannot come and register. We will first collect your detail and register our site. Then you are allowed to come. When you see this login and guest, it will not work. We have disabled this in platform. Possible that anybody, if everyone comes, what will happen to ours? Stop working. Okay. So at a time, we don't allow more people to come. Only we use it for this kind of experience providing. So here, username and password. The mail ID which you have used in registration is the username. Right? Your username is, you all typed it as Nishtha. It showed as nishtha.gov.in, but it will land in this mail ID, this ID. If you see the web address now, it is changed like this. When you browsed Nishtha, it came as nishtha.gov.in. But now once you open, it has changed like this. You can see at the top address bar. No Nishtha is written. Okay. Because we are diverting like that, it's a technical thing from the back end. Don't get confused. Nishtha and ITPD is one place only. Right? In-Service Teachers Professional Development. ITPD stands for In-Service Teachers Professional Development. So we have redirected, so that's why. So don't get confused. Whenever you want to go, you type Nishtha and go. Your mail ID is the username. Now common password is student@123. S is capital. Can you type this? Type your mail ID full @gmail.com, whatever you have given. Password, type it as student@123. S is capital. It will ask you to change the password. When it asks for changing the password, please make a new password for yourself. Write in your notebook. Because you can't reset password if you forget. Please write in your notebook a new password. They have given the condition what all should be there in the password. Read the statement there. If anybody is not able to get the page reset password, please raise your hand. We'll come to check. When you put the mail ID and password, you should land in a page which asks reset password.
Okay.
Student@123. Yes, capital. Common password. ये देखो. Huh? This is like you create a password for, don't select from that. You create a password for yourself following this condition, then give it as a new password. Okay? If you are not able to change the password, please raise your hand. That means your registry is not done properly. दीपक इधर भी एक मैडम आप ट्राई करो एक टाइम एंड देन जस्ट चेक टाइपिंग में कुछ गलत हो सकता है पासवर्ड चेंज यही है सर आपका पासवर्ड चेंज कैपिटल एस टाइम जोन का वो
Okay.
we want something for you. We'll get it by Monday only. No, not for that.
We will read by Monday only.
That will be there for 1 week, but this data I'm saying. We don't want you to enter your personal details. Change this, sir? नहीं हो रहा है? अच्छा रिमेम्बर में? नहीं नो सर आप ठीक से लॉग इन टाइप कर दिया student@123 12 टाइप कर दिया इसके बाद Praveen, note the mail ID and give it to Deepak. Deepak, you go and sit in the system to write your mail ID. Others can find the mail ID and just take his mail ID. Yes, ma'am. No, we have to complete this one. No. No need to update your profile now. Please wait. We don't want you to update your profile. How many are still changing password? Not yet done? Everyone has done? Okay. Kareem, ID password. You ask them the ID password for the demo. Deepak said, so now at the top right corner, once you have logged in, top right corner you can see your name.
Yes.
Can you see on the top right corner?
Yes.
Go and click there. There is a small arrow.
Yes.
Everyone parallelly do along with me. Don't fill profile. Please go to the top right corner. Your name is there. Click on that. A red color pop-up appears. Drop down. In that dashboard is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Go to the dashboard.
Changes you made may not be seen.
If you are in profile page and you are clicking dashboard, you have to say that it will ask whether changes you made may not be saved. You leave. Have you all gone to dashboard? So click on the dashboard.
अच्छा अच्छा अब कहाँ बोला इस पे नहीं कुछ नहीं करना हाँ जी नहीं आपका नाम क्या है इस पे बटन पे आपको दिया जी जी पहले निष्ठा में हुआ है कार्नर पे सर ओके आई हैव एक्सेप्टेड इट सो मैम मेरा निष्ठा एलएमएस में हुआ था सब एलएमएस में
हाँ. That's why if you have used the last password, na, so it will log in with. No issue. सबको डैशबोर्ड नहीं आ रहा. It's coming. I know. Profile page की. ऐसा तो नहीं कि Deepak, all are registered in the code, right? Okay. Once you click the dashboard, is it landing on your profile page? Yes. Wherever there is star given. There is star given?
Yes.
Because this was set up for Nishta, so it's coming compulsory to fill it. So wherever star is there, fill that detail alone and save it. Wherever there is a star symbol, mandatory. Maybe he filled first. You fill the data? No need, sir. You itna hi kar. We need to land up. Ravi is your first name, surname लिखना है आप कुमार लिख दीजिए. Star is compulsory. Whichever has a red star, quickly fill it. Don't take so much time. Only whichever has red star, fill it. Update profile and then again go for dashboard. Once your profile is updated, so everyone should land up in this place. गीता मेनका से बता दो रंजना मैडम से देखने के लिए. रंजना मैडम का प्रेजेंटेशन इधर रेडी करना. टेल मेनका टू ओपन द प्रेजेंटेशन. यू गो टू सी रंजना मैडम. Once you update your profile, go to again dashboard. Whatever is only star, fill that. Don't fill everything. Throughout wherever star is there, no? You have to fill all that. This information delete it, no? Okay. One minute. Is this your ID only, Ravi Kumar? Whatever is not related to you, delete that and only fill wherever star is. Okay. Those who have come here can click on this. See, everyone can I request you to see here. Everyone please watch here. So now in this learning management system, there are multiple courses. Batch 1 was there, before that Nishta was there. So for everyone, can I request everyone please listen? It's not only for us to use it, it is also for you to. This is Ranjana madam sir, Vijayan sir. So either kar do ready. So any learning management, when you go, it may have multiple courses. So you have to be registered. Similarly, tomorrow when you are going to conduct the program in Diet, in Diksha platform also, you will have one particular course where you need to tell all the participants to come and enroll and join the course. In Diksha portal, you will not be allowed to register the way we have registered you. We registered and we gave you ID password and we told you to join. Right? That's how we did. But in Diksha, this cannot happen. So in Diksha, they will register and they have to come and join the course. But there will be 50 people only in your place. People who are outside also come and join. So that is where now we are going to enable a coupon based system. If today 50 participants have come for training, we have to tell this training has a code. Then they will use that code, then only they can join the course. Now in Diksha, anybody can join any course. But in future, there will be option for physical training. If we have to do the data in Diksha platform, it should use coupon based login. That's why we are just taking you step by step so that you understand all this. So in any learning management system, updating profile is mandatory. So in Diksha portal also, when you go first time, now once the program is going to initiate, every teacher will be expected to update their profile. So until they update the profile, they cannot move. So that's a testing system we enabled. That's why even though you clicked on dashboard, you were not able to land there. It was asking first to fill your profile. So certain fields were mandatory. Similarly, there also some fields will be mandatory for you to fill it. That is because we need data. After the district, they will ask in this district how many teachers have completed. So the district diet coordinator has to inform. then we need the profile to get the data. That is mandatory. So now what we have done is, we have registered you in course, but in Diksha, people will join the course using a code. If it is a physical training or if it is an open online training, they will directly join the course. Okay. If you click on this, can you all click on and open this page? So you can see there a list of sessions is visible. When you open this, you can see there is a list, but everything is hidden. Right? Only the first one is open. Dashboard. Go to your name. Dashboard. Presentation is open.